Come test drive the 2016 Optima Hybrid. The all-new Kia Optima Hybrid offers the style and performance of the Kia Optima with the added benefits only found in hybrid vehicles, including the idle stop and go feature, which automatically switches off the engine when the vehicle is idle. If you're looking for a quality, high-performance hybrid you can feel good and green about driving, look no further than the Optima Hybrid and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, navigation system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.